Hey guys, Dr. Benjamin Ritter here, internal leadership coach, and in this video I'm going to reveal the 3 things that you can do to help you make friends when you're just a little bit older. Making friends is tough. Well, not so much before, right? Because you were in school with people all the time, and they were around you, and most of your time was spent building relationships and spending time with people, and you had a lot more free time. So it was kind of easier to make friends. And so now, maybe when you're older, when you've progressed, when you've gone along your journey and blossomed into the beautiful person that you are, you're realizing that the people that were friends then maybe aren't the best friends now. And so what do? I mean, when was the last time you had to make a friend? When do you have time to make friends? So this video is going to reveal 3 things to help you out. The first one is to take a look at yourself, take a look at your life, and take a look at the current friends that you have right now that you love spending time with. Now, the similarities there are really important because those are going to kind of create the framework for where you decide to spend more time and find people like that, because now you know the type of person that you want to meet. Now you actually have to go invest some time in those places. And that actually means dedicating some time each and every single week to find these people and to spend time with them. Just like you did in school, when you were surrounded by people, investing time in them and developing friendships and sharing experiences, you need to start that again. But this time, much more targeted. The final thing you need to do is, once you start spending time in these environments with the people that you think are going to be good friends, you need to connect. And not just connect, but you need to follow up. So if you meet someone that you kind of hit it off with, exchange information and text them later and invite them out a week later. And if they say no, don't be all hurt about it, because we're older and have responsibilities now and things take time. So enjoy the process of meeting people. Don't get discouraged. Follow up, right, with the people that can be really good friends. And be patient. It's going to happen. It really will happen. Take a look at who you want to spend time with. Find places where those people are going to be. And then invest in those people. Be patient with the process. And before you know it, you'll be playing in the sandbox again with a new group of friends. Guys, I want to hear how this goes. Leave some comments below. I try to read and respond to everything. And if you want to be notified of new videos, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and give it a little like. 2 thumbs up. Much appreciated. And most importantly, guys, don't forget, keep on living for yourself.